Alexa, play Ice Me Out by Castor.
Ice Me Out by Castor through Apple Music.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like my voice sounds weird, but today I'm doing a wash and go. I've gotten a couple requests for this, so I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and make the video. My wash and go is literally a wash and go. It's not one of these 20-step, 15-minute wash and goes that these YouTubers be doing. So I was like, I don't know if I want to do this because it's so short, but first, I start off by wetting my hair. I need to get it nice and saturated with water because it just makes it way easier to detangle. And then I go ahead and I finger detangle first before I even do anything, especially since I did a wash and go the day before. So my hair is super knotted. So you can just see me, running my fingers through my hair. It just makes the process way easier when I do go in with like a brush and whatnot. So now I'm using the mane and tail conditioner. I can understand why this conditioner was so cheap because it's very watery. Like I had to use a lot. So, um yeah, so I'm just running it through my hair, trying to get every strand. Here I go again, back with the conditioner. You know how it'll be like use a pea size amount? Yeah, no. We're using a whole handful because I don't know. This conditioner is cool, I guess, for the price, but I can already tell I'm about to be running through it. So yeah, just running it through my hair and whatnot. So I split my hair in half and try to get the conditioner in the middle because that's where my hair gets the most tangled. So I'm just making sure I get that section really well. And then I just take a hair elastic and put my hair into a bun and I go about my business. I wash my face, wash my body, do a little concert, a little dance routine. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back and I'm ready to detangle my hair. Oh, dance party. Okay. So then I just take the hair elastic out and I split my hair into two sections. Just makes the detangling process easier. Then I'm going in with a wide tooth comb. You know how when you have a long list of things to do, you do something really easy and really small just to make yourself feel accomplished. Yeah, that's what I do with my hair. So I do that little front section first and then I work my way to the back. I'm just, running through my hair really quick just so I don't spend a whole bunch of time detangling with a brush because a wide tooth comb is just going to go right through your hair, whereas a brush, it takes a little bit more effort and whatnot. So I kind of like to split up the process a little bit and I go in with a comb first. If you have curly hair, get yourself a wide tooth comb because it has really changed my life. Then I'm going in with this brush that my cousin gave me. It's like specifically for curly hair. It has these kind of like bendy bristles so that, when you're brushing through your hair, it's not ripping through your hair. It kind of bends with your hair. I know I just said hair like 50 million times, but yeah, so I'll try to find a link to this brush, or I'm just gonna ask her the brand if she knows what it is. But I like it so far, it's cool. The reason why I'm showing you guys this shower and detangling process is because making sure you have really, really, really well detangled hair makes for a good wash and go. Like it makes a huge difference, especially if your hair grows over the day like mine does. And now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, going through my hair with the wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush it out with that same brush. So now I'm rinsing out the conditioner. This is a really important step in my opinion because you're going to be adding other products, and I don't wash my hair with shampoo every day, but I pretty much detangle it every day, and you don't want a whole buildup of conditioner and leave-in conditioner and gel and everything in your hair.
Alexa, play Ice Me Out by Castor.
Ice Me Out by Castor from Apple Music.
So I'm just taking one of those microfiber like hair towels, and I'm squeezing some of the excess water out of my hair. With wash and goes, keeping your hair pretty wet is really important. And then I just take a comb and fix my part a little bit. Um, then I'm just taking this hair oil. It really doesn't matter what kind of oil you use. This is like some type of argan oil blend. I take that and I run it throughout my hair, and I also put it on my scalp just because it's cold and it's winter. You want to keep your scalp moisturized. It's really good to put oils in your hair, especially in the winter, just to lock in that moisture. I know some people are going to be like, oh, you should put the product and then the oil, but this is how I like to do it. And then now I'm taking the OGX Coconut Curls Hair Butter. This is probably my favorite leave-in conditioner ever. The only thing I don't like about it is that I go through it in like 2 months. Like, it's a really small container, but I love this stuff. It gives you really good definition without making your hair crunchy, and your hair just feels, it gives you a good hold too without your hair feeling kind of like hard or anything. It just feels really soft. It almost feels as if there's nothing in your hair, but it's still giving you, that definition, and it defies the frizz and whatnot. So I just rake it through my hair. Since my hair is pretty wet, it's not going to disturb my curl pattern too much. And I put it on the top, I put on the edges, and y'all, lately, I've been realizing that I've been neglecting the back of my hair when I do my wash and goes, and it ends up being really dry and like frizzy and ugly, and it kind of just sticks out because I would think that I was parting my hair into two, but I was really just like putting it on the front pieces because that's all you really see. But then when I would turn around, I noticed that my hair would be super dry, and it was not cute. And so I just go throughout my hair, make sure everything is well coated in the curl butter. It's not heavy at all, so you can put as much or as little as you want. I like to go through and kind of define some curls that look a little frizzy or kind of messy. This is definitely not the shingling method because nobody has 2 hours to define every individual curl in their head, but some of the curls on the top I like to just go over and smooth out a little bit. So I'm just taking the flaxseed and castor oil eco styler gel and one of those edges toothbrushes that has the little comb at the end, and I'm just slicking down my edges. Notice that I'm saying edges and not baby hairs. Girls, let's stop calling these 401k retirement plan hairs baby hairs, because them hairs be grown. Just call them your edges. It's okay to not have a lot of baby hairs. I definitely don't have a lot of baby hairs. Like, just stop calling them that. They be 45. Like, and the main reason why I slick down my edges is just to give my hair a little more of like a refined look, but it's also in case I do want to put my hair up at some point. It's hard to put a wash and go into a bun or a ponytail, so it does look a little messy. So I like to have my edges look a little bit more slicked and whatnot, just in case, either, and if my hair blows in the wind too. You don't want your edges looking all crazy. And so this is the final look pretty much. I'm going to come back when my hair is dry, but that's it. That's all, folks.
Alright, so my hair hasn't completely dried. I'm gonna put a picture in of another day when I've done the wash and go the same exact way. It really turns out different every time I do it. But yeah, I did my makeup and whatnot, so I don't look like a wet dog anymore. I'm gonna make this outro quick because I'm on my way to watch the Super Bowl. Go Pats. If you don't like the Patriots, you're just a hater. So also, I don't mess with Tom Brady though, cause he be wearing that "Make America Great Again" hat. So, I'm a Pats fan, not a Tom Brady fan, and all the players that didn't want to go to the White House when Obama was inaugurated. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.